Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you are watching XIAOMI Computer Tech channel. Friends, today is the good news for
Redmi Note 8 and 80 users.
Android 11 Easter egg is released for these users. Friends, if you want to get real feel of Android 11 Easter egg, then you have to follow this procedure. Before installing this ROM, we need to enable 3 steps. Enable developer option, unlock bootloader, and the third one, install TWRP. Let us our device boot into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button simultaneously. Then we have to take a complete backup before we flash custom ROM. Select backup. We have to choose boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting these, swipe right to confirm. Press on back. By wiping this temporary data, it will allow to cleanly install to this custom ROM. Select wipe, select advanced wipe, select Dolby Not system, data, swipe right to confirm. We need to go to here to install stock ROM. By pressing back, here you may find install. Select Android 11. Friends, here I have provide latest version of custom ROM and GApps which are suitable to your device. Please find in below description and you may download it. After selecting this Android 11 ROM, swipe right to install. Click on back, select GApps. After selecting these, swipe right to install. Before we proceed to reboot our system, we need to wipe temporary data. Select wipe and swipe right to wipe data. After finishing all steps, we need to reboot our system. Press on reboot system. Friends, here it will take 2 to 3 minutes to reboot your device successfully. And let I will show cool features are given Android 11.
Continue in English. Press 2.
Okay Google.